Hey, it's Austin. I just wanted to go over our GT35 journal bearing rebuild kit. So the kit comes in a little package like this, and we also are offering 360-degree thrust bearings with these. Here's the factory 270-degree thrust bearing, which you've probably noticed that yours has. We just toss those and use this thrust bearing and these 360-degree thrust collar and spacer, and then the rest is just, the O-ring and these little bolts, this piece, the spacer that goes between the journal bearings, and the seals and the journal bearings. So that's a complete kit. You can get this from us, and I guarantee it'll be the best price out there. So let us know if you're in need of one of these rebuild kits for your GT35 Turbo. Our contact information is below this video, so if you need this kit, please contact us and we will sell it to you.